Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of FHMB with me, Gav, the Fat Hairy Mountain Biker. And in this episode, I'm going to give you an update on everything. Let's crack on. Right, let's give you an update then. First, we'll start with the Caliber bossnut. So I have to ring Go Outdoors 3 times before they ring me back to give me an update on what's happening with the rear triangle that's supposed to be sent from Caliber. And they're telling me that they've emailed Caliber several times and Caliber are not replying at the moment. So they're going to continue to try and get hold of a rear triangle for the bossnut. So that's where that is. And with the haibike fullseven 4, I've spoke to Jeff at Power Bikes in Scotland. They believe they've figured out the issue and it's sorted. Everything's been reset. He's tested it and it's all working fine. And while he was at it, he said, "Do you want me to fit you a dropper seat post? So if I pay for the seat post, they'll fit it for free because they've had the bike so long, as a little sorry for having your bike so long." So I was like, brilliant, I'll have some of that. So again, I can't recommend Power Bikes enough. They are pretty awesome customer service. So that's where we're at with that. So hopefully it'll be back this week. Little extra one, I've recently left my job of the last 14 years due to their terrible way of dealing with the COVID situation, and I didn't agree with their politics, so it eventually pushed me to leave. And I've now got myself as a job as a cycle technician. Living the dream, eh? You can't beat that. So happy days, start a new job next week as a cycle tech. And also, you may notice what was sat in here. This is the new FHMB tour bus. Boom! Let me give you a tour. So, say hello to Boxy. She's a Peugeot Boxer, long wheelbase. I think it's L3H2 in sexy black. Called Boxy because she's missing an R off her name. Boxy. She's a big old beast. Few dents and scratches on it. It's not a brand new van. Pretty cool. Reversing camera, sat nav and all the good stuff. Aircon. And plenty of room for bikes and all the good stuff. Once we get some lights and stuff sorted. First job is pull that bulkhead out, see what it looks like without it. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is it for some reason I can't talk properly. Maybe like that look. Oh. Anyway, that's it. There's a lady. No. And again. Right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this one. Just a real quick one to let you know what's happening with the bikes. Can't really do much mountain biking due to the bossnut having a dodgy back brake. And a little look round the new van. So I'll keep you up to date with how it's going with the van build. I'll keep you, hopefully, get the bike back next week. The fullseven 4. So we'll go for some blasts. Yes! Because the weather's getting better. And I'm missing out on all this biking because I ain't got my bike. And it should have a cool dropper post on to show you. So I'll be able to update on that too. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, click like, maybe even subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one.